traffic. It's 45, but it's construction.
A calm drive turns tense as flashing lights appear in the mirror. He's just a few feet from home, yet suddenly questioned over a paper license plate. It's clear up close, but that doesn't matter now. What should have been a quiet ride ends in a traffic stop filled with demands, doubt, and rising frustration. This moment isn't just about a car. It's about being seen, being judged, and standing up when it feels unfair.
We got the fuck boy behind us. It's traffic. It's 45, but it's construction. I got the paper plate on the back. See his white face, just reading my plate, looking at his computer. Fuck on. It's 45, we only doing 25. We behind a big truck. I know y'all can hear it. Oh, he can't be flicking me in my driveway.
Yeah, just right there.
I see that. I couldn't read it though.
All right.
You have your driver's license with you, sir?
I do.
Can I see it, please? Thank you.
You can read the plate though, right?
Now I can. I'm up here now. Yeah.
All right. I want to keep my information private then.
Well, see, you're being stopped for a lawful reason. So.
Well, your probable cause is already satisfied because you can read the plate, so I understand.
Stand by for a second.
You get a.
Michigan law says that a license plate has to be readable within like 100. Okay. That includes paper plates. So when I'm right behind you and I cannot read your paper plate, it looks like a blank piece of paper. That's why I'm making the traffic stop. Okay. So can I please see your license?
You can see it though, right?
Now I can, because I'm way closer than 100 feet away.
Can we get a supervisor?
I have another car on the way.
Is it a supervisor?
It's not.
Is it a chief?
No.
Can we get one of those here?
Okay. Who is that to you?
That's my mother-in-law.
Sorry?
My mother-in-law.
Okay. But
I'm not trying to give you a hard time, but I really do like to keep my information private.
No, listen.
I don't want.
I get that.
I get it too. You know, you couldn't see the plate, but
sure.
If you want, I can tape it up better.
Well,
but other than that, it's
I got a Sharpie in my car, so when we're done, I'm gonna mark it up so it's visible. Okay.
No problem.
How does that sound?
That sounds great to me.
Okay.
But as far as my information, I still want to keep that private.
Well,
I still
like
can
I said,
fix it.
You're still detained on a lawful traffic stop, so by law, you have to provide that information to me. Now, I have a supervisor on the way, like you requested.
It'd be lawful. Yes, it is definitely lawful, but it was already satisfied because it's definitely right there.
Again, I've already explained that to you, that's not how that works. Now, yeah, because I walked up to the vehicle, yes, I can see it. However, when I'm driving, my bumper is basically touching your bumper and I can't see it. That's where I have the issue. Okay, the state law says it has to be visible within 100 or 200 feet.
I was just following this car the other day because I took it to the shop. I know you can see it. Because I know it's December 21st is the expiration day, and I was able to read it clearly through the windshield when I was following this car the other day.
I mean, I would hope you would know that because it's on your vehicle. So can I please see your driver's license?
Yeah, when the supervisor gets here.
Okay. Why do we have to wait for the supervisor?
Well, because I just want to make sure everything is lawful.
Okay. And he's going to tell you the exact same thing. So
I'll hear from him when he gets here.
Okay, that's fine.
That's fine.
I don't understand why you're making a way bigger deal than it is.
That's the problem. Like, where you're actually stopping me because you couldn't see it, and then now you want my personal information because now you can see it, bro. You can see it now.
Yes, but I don't know who you are.
You don't need to know who I am. No. That's not how that works. That's not how that works.
You were the one driving the car. If you
don't need to know who I am, bro.
If you were the registered owner, then it wouldn't be a big deal.
So you just get to know who I am. I got the right for you to not know who I am.
Yeah,
I got that right.
If you were just walking down the street, I would have no reason to come ask you for your driver's license. I made a
You really don't have. It's not lawful, bro. You said you couldn't see it. That's actually anybody can say they couldn't see it. So another officer could say he did see it.
How would it be any different?
How would you even know if I was 100 feet? How would you know if you was 100 feet or not?
Because when I saw you, it didn't even look like you had a license plate until I got within 100 feet. And I saw the paper, I still couldn't read it.
Well, it's a lot of stuff going on right now, man.
Okay. Well,
I don't want no problems. Everything is good with me.
You're causing your own problems, sir.
No.
Realistically, we could be done with the traffic.
The traffic stop is done. Your suspicion is already.
It's not done.
All right. Well, I'll hear when the supervisor. You don't need to know who I am. I don't want you. You just pulled me over because you couldn't see my license plate, bro. And I know it's right there.
Okay.
I don't want you to have my information. I don't trust you. That's what it is. I don't trust you. I don't trust you, brother. I couldn't see your license plate until I got right up on it. But then once you got right up on it, you seen it, right? How did you run it? And now you just want to know who I am. Come on, brother. I'm not. Look, man. I'm not. I've been doing this too long, bro. I've been around this gate with y'all too many times, bro. I know what the problem. I know what it's doing. That's all right.
I pulled up.
I
could not read the license plate. I saw that you had a license plate. It was unreadable. It'd be the same thing if you had a hard plate that was destroyed. Okay, it's the same thing. So you're making it a bigger issue than what needs to be. My boss.
You think you pulling me over for a violation, but you clearly seen the license plates right there.
It's not.
There's no violations
readable.
going on, bro.
It's not readable. That's
It's there.
Yeah,
It's there.
Okay.
Have you been checked on your eyes?
How many times?
Have your eyes been checked?
Okay, if you can see this plate from 100 feet away,
Bro.
then you have super.
10 basketball rims.
That's what I'm.
That's 10 basketball
that's
rims,
fine.
bro. Come on, man. I'm not trying to. Just at least show me that. Show me where it say that you got to be visible from 100 feet.
I will once I see your driver's license.
Yeah, that's not how that works, brother.
That is
I
how-
show you my stuff once you can show that I did something wrong.
And I just told you what you did. You have an
I don't know
unreadable
that's real.
You have
You
an
just
unreadable
saying that,
license
brother.
plate.
Another cop could say 50 feet. Another
Okay.
cop could say 200 feet.
Either way, it still has to be readable.
It's readable.
Yeah, from 2 feet away.
You can exaggerate all you want, brother. I don't know. Look, you seen it, right? But I say you don't need to know who I am, brother.
Yes, I do.
There's no violation.
Yes, there is. And my supervisor, when he gets here, can explain that. If that's how you'd like to play it.
If that's what it is, that's what it is, man.
That is what it is.
Then I just have to give it up under duress, and then that's it. I mean, if you think you about to get like some type of like, I know what it is though. It's like you seen this fro, you seen me. You like, bro, I can get a free warrant check. And dog riding around, he got some rust on his car, not even knowing my shit completely insured,
That's-
car paid for,
that's fine.
everything good.
That's fine.
I'm legit. And say, look, license right here. Look, it say it right there. Look, driver's license.
That's
It's
fine.
restricted though.
I don't care if you have
But that's okay.
restricted or assisted
That's okay because I'm coming home from work.
I'm
But
making
whether or
sure
not I
you
got
have
license or not, bro,
restricted.
you pulling me over for no reason, bro.
I'm not. I'm
And your
pulling you
excuse
over.
is a piece of paper on my life. Bro, come on, bro. That you can't see from 100. Man, that's 10 bats. That's from here to the lake. Come on, bro. 100 feet, bro.
You can read it from here. If
100
your car
feet.
was at the lake, you can read it from
100
here.
feet. Just show me that.
Okay.
If you got a penal code for that?
Yeah, I will go look up the exact
Thank you.
number.
Look, I swear to God, look, if you come back with that, bro, here it goes right here for you.
Well, I'm gonna
It's right here for you.
I'm gonna-
Under duress. You gonna have to, and what's crazy is, I'm still not gonna give it to you. You gonna have to actually give up your qualified immunity, go in my pocket and take it because I don't. Yeah, because you don't have no probable cause, brother. It's readable right there. You don't have no probable cause, so I'm not giving it to you, but I'm not gonna resist. Look. Good afternoon, Sergeant Walls. I'm being pulled over for he can't read the plate. Clearly, he can read the plate. So the suspicion is over with and the stop should be over with. My personal identification, I don't want to give it up because there was no crime committed at all. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted you to hear to let him know that if there's no probable cause, he don't have to give up any information about himself personally at all. There's nothing going on. But if you guys want to take it, I will not resist at all. Everything is legit. I just don't want to give up my personal identification. I don't want to give up no personal information about myself. He can clearly see the license plate, so that means the stop is invalid. I don't want to give up any information. How many feet do you supposed to be able to see it? And do we have a penal code to back it up? That's what I want to know. Look, do you know the penal
Your
code?
license plate, of course.
What's the penal code? Okay,
But
so
I'll
we
write
just,
it on the ticket I'm going to give you.
yeah,
Or he's going to give you.
all right.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
Warrants out for your arrest.
No, sir, I'm completely legit.
He's got a legitimate stop on you. You driving on Michigan law is required.
I just need to know the penal code for it, and I will
Requires you
comply completely,
to
and
have
I'm
your
gonna
driver's
comply.
license on you and produce it
When-
an officer asks for it.
When you committed a crime. Yes. When you committed a crime. Sir? Okay. I don't mind you guys giving up y'all qualified
So-
immunity because
so-
y'all don't have probable cause.
I don't really.
All right,
you
then,
wanna
so-
do it, step out of the car now. Put the handcuffs on you. And get
Go
this
ahead.
over with.
I won't resist. I don't know why I would be getting in cuffs. What would I be under arrest for?
Step it out.
What
You
I
told me
did?
you would not.
No, I said I would not
You
resist.
told me you would not produce
All
your
right.
driver's license.
You got body cam on, right?
Oh yeah, we both
I
did.
told him and I told that I will not resist you at all. Got a ticket.
In the end, the plate was visible, the car fully insured, and the stop still escalated. His questions were met with cuffs, his calm with control. He stood firm, knowing he followed every rule, yet still ended up on the roadside restrained. It began with a missing detail, but what surfaced was a deeper issue: how power plays out when you ask for clarity. Sometimes it's never about the reason, it's about the reaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.